Filipino street food. Different kinds of Filipino street food.
Thank you. Papadala mo sa ano?
So Kuya selling street food. Different kind of street food. We have chicken blood, no? Ito, chicken blood, chicken feet, chicken neck. Everything is chicken. And pork. Ano to? Air. Ears, oh. And then
Chicken and ano? Pig intestine.
Tatin ba yan?
Pig intestine.
Pork is insane. Okay. And then chicken liver. Chicken liver. And then pork meat. Then ano to? Balon-balonan.
Lizard.
Adam Pool.
Sa English lizard daw eh.
Lizard? Ah, okay. And hot dogs and chicken sustain. Okay. And that's Kuya and that's Ate. Right here in Walking Street. So dito kayo lagi everyday. So everyday they're selling this street food. Start anong oras kayo nag ano? 11 to... so they start selling from 11 o'clock in the morning to 3:30 p.m. Okay. Street food. Across to this club X East. Okay, so let's keep forward.
Mangga.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. No, I'm not available. You want to come home with me? No, you cannot. Let's go.
No, I want to come home with you. So there's massage also right there. It's 24 hours open and that's the club also. You want to walk?
Yeah, where you want to go?
Tricycle here, yeah, we can walk around.
No, my friend, I don't use this thing.
Next time, my friend.
No, I don't use it. Next time I know use. It doesn't work for me. Don't do anything for me.
Valium, sir.
No, my friend, I don't want nothing. I have my stuff. Valium? I don't want. The Valium is not illegal to sell. What are you talking about?
I have.
No, yeah?
Wow.
You know what Valium is?
10 milligrams.
You know when they give you, do surgery, they give you Valium so you don't feel nothing. Who wants that? Oh shit. Guys are crazy over there. They're going to kill somebody.
Come. Also, this is the lady that we are talking on my live. She was telling us that she's 28 years old with 4 kids, and she has a half American child.
You take care, yes.
So this is the tequila whip, Mexican cantina.
No, you don't want to work there? There's nothing here.
Okay.
There's nothing here.
No, I want to go back to Philip. What are you talking about? Over here.
Nothing coming here. At Phillips, nothing coming.
Yeah, that's Philip there.
No, I know. I said there's nobody walking here. No action. If you just want to show the back street.
Yeah, so this is the back street
Back street
of Walking Street.
Walking. That's the Euphoria over there something. That's one Euphoria.
Come.
If you go straight, there was 4 birds on the left. Just walk. Maybe walk back.
So this is the back of Walking Street. They have a massage spa. They have also laundry shop.
They have Pacific Breeze.
And this is another hotel that I don't know if it's still open or closed.
Yeah. you the part of Pacific is like a different wing this day.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it's still alive.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe. Laundry's here.
So this is the Scoreboards Hotel. They have Duke's restaurant. And across they have also massage spa. This lot is empty. So yeah, so this is the Scoreboards Hotel. We will stay here the first time we came in Angeles City. There is one of these, the Duke's restaurant. Their
Yeah.
food is great
Yeah, the
also.
food is good.
And of course, they have benefits of massage. They have Sophie spa. They have spa massage over here for only 300 per hour. That's the massage. They have Chatsu Swedish and stone massage. They also have foot massage.
We already did not yesterday, the night before already did.
Yeah. That's very hot there then. Yeah. Okay, so keep walking. Let's go.
Yeah.
My Bobo bringing my bag.
I know. You're gonna think I'm the bagla.
No,
Nothing.
no.
Should wear a t-shirt. Me,
It's
no
mean you're a gentleman. Mm.
Maybe I need to wear a t-shirt. Me no bagla.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Very hot. That's why I already put sunscreen on my face.
Laundry is out.
Yeah, they have laundry here.
Yeah, hello.
Massage spa. They have also this bar, party one
Look at
bar.
laundry hall. One laundry, two laundry, three laundry. They're killing each other. Business. Party one bar. Hello. The lady waving her hand. MG. No. We can go and feel the lobby street and then walk. So there's nothing on this side if you go.
Wait. So this is Kokomos restaurant.
Hide your
They are
faces.
open for 24 hours.
Beautiful ladies, hide your faces. Hide your faces. Why you come here then? Why do something? It's hot. Oh, this the guy selling out there. Wow.
Ah, this is the
No,
one.
we don't want to.
Yeah, po.
Yeah, very nice, sir. Oh?
No, I know, but Pusok already Pusok, look. It's coming out. Not bad, yeah.
Selling this big farm. Look at that.
So how much are you selling today? This all this?
Only 2.5, sir.
Huh? 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
And they cook.
Yeah,
How many
very nice.
pieces is this?
Maybe 15 pieces. Sir.
15?
Yeah.
Where you catch so big? Where?
So big, sir. If you want grill,
So
I
big?
grill inside.
No, no. This you catch from the Subic grill.
Yeah.
So, oh, wow.
Oh.
I never see so big. No, I don't want. But I'm just asking for people. People, you know, if they, yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad, yeah. You go to Boracay, this will be 10,000 pesos they're going to ask.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
I know. You know, they charge you so much. Okay.
Maybe
Thank you, my friend. Keep working. You're going to find luck. You're going to find luck.
That is good.
This is maybe where this is.
This one, La
I
Bamba.
think this is it because it was something like this going down.
Yeah.
Right, you know, I didn't even see what name it was. But you're right, baby. Oh, yeah.
So nighttime, they all busy. Woman everywhere, but this is the daytime.
So look at the tattoo. The whole body full of tattoo. Window, they show. Whole body is full of tattoo.
Yeah.
Like arrow. Easy and feeling so happy. You go to 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
They have AC. So these open bars, they don't have AC.